Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome to Cooking with Fa. I'm Faria here. Today is my father's birthday. I'm thinking to give him surprise. I'm making vanilla cake by help of my mother. So let's start. In a mixing bowl, first we will add half cup vegetable oil. Now add half cup curd. One teaspoon vanilla essence. Mix it well. Now it's ready. It's done. We will add dry ingredients. Now we will add 1 teaspoon baking powder. One teaspoon baking soda. Pinch of salt. Next we will add 1 cup icing sugar. Now I will add 2 cup maida. Now mix it well. It's mixed well. Add some milk. Mix well. We will add some more milk. Mix that. Our cake batter is ready. Cake container and place parchment paper and glaze it with oil. Now we will pour our cake batter. Tap for 2 times. Now it's baking time. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Our cake is ready. Let's see. Be careful. Insert knife or toothpick in the cake. If it's come clean, it's ready. If it's not come, we should bake it for few minutes. It is done. Cool down completely. Run the knife around the cake. transfer it in a plate. Tap it. Wow, it's baked perfectly. Cut this into 2 or 3 parts. Now the base is ready. Let's decorate it. Do you want to help me?
Yeah.
First, we will whip the cream. Add whipped cream. Add 2 tablespoons icing sugar. Now whip the cream. Now add some sugar syrup. Add cream. Add another layer. Now again add sugar syrup. Add some cream. It is done. We will put some sprinkles. Finally ready. Happy birthday, Dad. Happy birthday, Dad.
Thank you. Wow. That looks yum, yum. You made it?
Yeah.
Wow. Thank you so much. It's lovely. Thank you. Thank you.
The cake is yummy. Please do like, share and subscribe to Cooking with Fa. Thank you for watching this video. Bye.